over the last few weeks and even months, in fact, yeah, since last year, the amount of people that have asked me about what is Bitcoin, what is cryptocurrency, how can they get involved, what is all this new technology about, what are DLTs, what's the blockchain, you know, it's so exciting right now in terms of what's happening. And with all of these questions and people wanting to know more about what's happening, I've decided to do a workshop. The workshop is going to cover all these new technologies, demystifying the whole ecosystem of cryptocurrencies, so you can learn more about how to get involved, how to invest in cryptocurrencies, how do you mine for Bitcoins, how do you get your wallet, what is cryptocurrency, what is, you know, DLTs, what's Hashgraph. You know, these are all technologies and things that are being spoken about that people want to know more about. But what I can tell you is, do not miss out on this workshop, because we're going to go into it. We're going to show you and cover how you can actually actively get involved, how you can invest, how you can make money, how you can take advantage before it gets too saturated. You know, we always come to things when it's all over, when everyone has reaped the benefits. You know, so what we're doing is we're ahead of the game this time, and this is an opportunity for you to get involved so that you not only know about what's happening, you know, you have to be up to date, you have to be abreast of technology, you have to utilize it, and this is the perfect opportunity for you to do that. If I had some money for the amount of times people keep asking me to explain this, I'll be rich without even the cryptocurrencies. But, you know, we're doing well with it ourselves, and we just want to help others who want to learn more, and this is the perfect time. Make sure, I know how we are as a people, we like to procrastinate, but make sure you don't miss this opportunity, yeah? This workshop is something that is a must for all of you. If you want to know more about blockchain, Bitcoin, mining, what is consensus algorithms, what are DLTs, what's Hashgraph, all of these things will be explained. How do you invest? How do you get your wallet? How do you get your cryptocurrencies? How do you buy Bitcoins? How do you spend it? Where can you buy it? Where can you spend it? You know, these are the things that we're going to be covering, and you have to make sure you don't miss out. Yeah, we're going to go in great detail. You can ask questions about what's an ICO, initial coin offering. You know, you need to know about which coins are safe, which coins are dangerous in terms of risk. You need to understand how to diversify your portfolio. You know, you don't just put everything into one basket, in other words. All of these things we're going to cover on this workshop. Make sure you get your place booked in today.